Hello, nursing students. It's so good to see you again, although not in person this time. This is Eric Bradley from the Goshen College Good Library. We've met before in some earlier sessions. Today's class is going to be a little different from what we've done before. In your earlier sessions, we've simply come into the computer lab. We've walked through how to use Signal, how to find literature reviews in nursing, get an orientation for how our system is set up at GC. This class is going to be a little different. We're going to focus on what's called epidemiological data and data stats. You're learning about this in class right now, and my job as a librarian is to show you the different sources of where some of this information is out on the open web. Most of this doesn't come up easily through a Google search, which is why we've created this guide and we're walking through these videos. In these sets of videos, we're going to be searching for epidemiological data and stats in various databases. And then we're also going to do a session on how to search for evidence-based intervention articles. So there'll be a CINAHL piece there. This guide here is going to walk you through all your pieces. You can see on the left-hand side, there's some links here that we'll walk through. And then on the lower left-hand corner, there'll be a little training video for each section. So this guide, I want to show you how to get to this guide. I'm going to open a new tab here, and let's just go to, it's going to be at the library website. So if you start from my.goshen.edu, there'll be a link for the Good Library on the left-hand side, or you can simply type in Goshen College Library and do a Google search. It pops right up as well. This is going to be a subject guide, or you can either search library guides and search N604, and that will come up for the guide, or you can click on subject guides, and on the right hand side here is going to be a link to your guide. So for this page, this is your introduction page. I'll point out to you. On this page is just a little photograph to let you know where you're at. This box here outlines the assignment as it currently stays right now. And then below that is just some helpful information. These are things that are not required to turn into your professor, but I just wanted to provide for you. I find them helpful as a librarian when compiling this information. You may have another method that works fine, but there will be demographic grids to help compile information as you're going through looking at getting this information together. And then at the very bottom of the page is a page called Citing Data Sets. So at the bottom of each of these pages will be a box that will help guide you through how to cite the information you're finding, because each of these pieces they're all cited a little different. Sometimes the government documents are cited one way, other sources are cited a different way. There's a little piece there at the bottom to help you with that. That's really the introduction video here. We'll go through other videos. What I'd like you to do next is click on the Get Started tab, and then I'll introduce you to the rest of these resources.